Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna guide you how to add your multiple account into MKT store. So this is my story. So first is the account management. So here this function that we have you to add and manage a limited Instagram account. So when you first using this software, you will don't have the category, so you will need to add the new category, and you can enter any name that you want in here. And after having a category, you can choose the add account button, and your account you can buy from the shop. And when you have the list of account like this, you can copy it and paste it into the software like this. And next you choose the category that you want and select the format that match with the account. Okay, and now you press more to save my new account. And yes, I successfully add my new account in the software. And next you can, after add your new account, you can select the account like this and right click and choose login account and choose login Instagram. And the software will open browser like this and will log into the account that I already add in the software. Okay, so basically I just show you how to add your account into MKT's Insta. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you need this software or more information, you guys can contact me in my Telegram, WhatsApp, and don't forget to like, subscribe for my channel to see more videos about automation software.